Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The difference between eggy bread and French toast: eggy bread is savory. French toast is sweet. Obviously the dishes are very similar, and French toast can be made without anything sweet being added to the egg mix. But it is then generally served with syrup, fruit and/or whipped cream, etc.
Take our lead.
However, French toast has this stigma around it that it has to be loaded with calories, and that's just simply not true. In fact, it's quite easy to make low-fat, high-protein, high-fiber French toast with only a few smart ingredient substitutions. If you've been craving French toast, crave no more.
Take our lead.
What can you use in French toast instead of milk? It totally depends on what you have at home, but I prefer to use cashew or almond milk. You could also use soy, light coconut milk, or any plant-based milk you prefer. The thing that really makes this no-milk French toast recipe work is the eggs.
Let's help you make your mark.
You may also want to look up pain perdu, which is like the ultimate sweet custard French toast, especially if you use brioche. But, yeah, French toast is to some extent going to taste like egg and bread, since that's what it is.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.